Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install the VLC player to your Firestick or Android TV. VLC is a free open source multimedia player which you can use to watch all kinds of media files, be it movies, live streams, or TV shows online. So if you were looking for a way to get VLC player to your device, today I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we go to search on your device and in the search bar start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firesticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And now, as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to enable ATB debugging, then you gotta go to install and on apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it. And here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I connected to Italy right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, open up Downloader, and wait until it loads for you. Then on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now, after the website has loaded, we just need to scroll it down a little bit until we find that list of categories. And basically from the list, we'll have to click on Media Players, which is right here. Let's click on Media Players. Then a list of apps is going to open up, and we have to scroll down until we find the VLC media player. There it is, let's click on it. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, do not worry and just click on close or on X to close down the ad. So click on X, and now the ad is going to be closed. And a new web page has popped out for us, so we gotta scroll down as well. Keep scrolling until you find the download for TV Android TV button right here. That's exactly what we're looking for on this page. So let's click on that button, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start for you. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until the VLC player gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device, depending on what kind of device you're using. Then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, wait until it loads, and there at the bottom you'll find VLC player, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, VLC player is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.